Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Buick Regal Premium 2 all-wheel drive. Stock number X732A. 47,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Regal brand new, Summit White in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Regal's a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, cross path detection, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and a removable cargo net perfect for keeping smaller items secure. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium 2 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Regal has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 259 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Regal, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.